Natapos na ang pag-aabang ng mga Pinoy boxing fans kung sino ang susunod sa yapak ni Manny Pacquiao. Mula sa tapang ng Mindanao, isang pangalan ang tahimik na umuusbong, si Miel Fajardo. Tinatawag siyang silent assassin. Hindi maingay, hindi palabida. Pero sa bawat galaw, may nakaambang panganib.
Angas ng Cebu!
14 na panalo, 12 rito ay knockout. Isang record na hindi lang numero, kundi babala sa buong dibisyon. At pinatunayan niya ang bangis na ito nang durugin niya ang Argentinian knockout artist na si Tobias Jeremias Reyes. Isang mandirigmang may 18 panalo at 16 na knockout. April 11, 2026, sa isang IBF title eliminator. Hindi lang niya tinalo si Reyes, 4 na beses niya itong pinabagsak sa loob pa lang ng unang round. Isang performance na hindi pwedeng balewalain. Isang gabi na nagbukas ng pinto patungo sa World Championship. At sa kabila ng entablado, naghihintay ang isang tunay na halimaw. Ang IBF champion ng Japan, si Masamichi Yabuki. 19 na panalo, 18 knockout. Isang veterano ng digmaan sa ring. Isang kampyon na hindi basta sumusuko. Galing sa depensang panalo kontra kay Felix Alvarado at may 6 na sunod-sunod na knockout victories. Handa si Yabuki na ipagtanggol ang kanyang trono. Kung saan sa laban na ito lumabas na dehado si Fajardo, upang lalo tayong maliwanagan kung gaano kabagsik si Fajardo kung madehado. Panoorin natin ang kanyang laban kontra sa undefeated Argentinian prospect, ang bata ni Bob Arum at alaga ni Marcos Maidana, si Agustin Mauro Gauto. 17 panalo, 13 knockout, walang talo. Tinuturing na future world champion ng top rank promotion. Sa mata ng karamihan, ang Pilipino, isa lang stepping stone. Pero sa loob ng ring, walang hype, walang pangalan. Katotohanan lang. Round 1, walang pakiramdaman. Agresibo agad ang dalawang mandirigma. Palitan ng mabibigat na suntok.
Nice work, isn't it? It's a little thing with the eyes running to the belly. Like a nice jab to the head.
Shot there. Shot there.
Took it, did as well with the second attack.
I think he might feel he's hurt him with one of those body shots because he's really getting on him here, Fajardo. To go down to the body again there. Then back up to the head, but he was letting his hands go, putting his punches together well.
Solid jab in the front goal. He's been a bit
Well, do you think he got through solidly with one of those
yeah,
body
it is,
shots?
yes, particularly the second one for me.
Just gone into his shot.
Hanggang sa pumutok ang isang kaliwa ng Pilipino. Bumagsak si Gauto, tumayo, pero sa kanyang mga mata, nandoon ang duda.
Ng referee.
Shot. Oh, beautiful left hand.
Look at the replay. I don't think it will be. He doubled the left hook, lovely, didn't he, Fajardo?
Muling umatake si Fajardo at muling bumagsak ang Argentinian. Nasagip lang ng kampana. Round 2, dito na nagbago ang lahat. Sinubukan pang bumawi ni Gauto, pero ang Pilipino, kalma, matiyaga. Naghihintay ng tamang sandali.
Down to his knees, the gloves touched down as well, but Fajardo just... Trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body move. Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts.
At nang makita niya ang butas, Sunod-sunod na kaliwa. Walang pahinga, walang awa. Bumagsak muli si Gauto. Tumayo pa, pero wala na ang balanse. Wala na ang sagot.
Letting his own hands go, he's showing a ton of bravery and heart in there, but every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down. And he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee doing?
The referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knock, but he's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook every single time he can throw. Put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook every single time he can throw it. He is throwing it, dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown. This is superb. 1 minute 40. Two shots.
Tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 shots. Oh, another big left hander.
Mula sa mabilis na pinakawalan ni Fajardo, bagsak ulit si Gauto, ngunit mapahanga ka rin sa tapang nito.
Really know how much more of this I would need. See if I were there. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think
Dito na tinapos ni Fajardo ang kanyang paghihirap. At doon na pumasok ang referee. Sa gabing iyon, gumuho ang mga inaasahan. Si Baba Rom ay lumayas na walang paalam. Ang tanong, may chance ba si Fajardo na maging world champion? Ibahagi ang inyong opinyon at banggitin kung saan kayo nanonood para malaman natin saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino sa laban ni Fajardo kontra Yabuki para sa IBF title.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.